Okay, question 1. 1a. So again, the surface area of a cylinder, you need to memorize this formula, is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. When there's nothing in between them, it means that we are timesing. So in 1a, we were told that the radius is 3 and the height is 5. So we can just plug it into this formula. 2 pi r is 3, plus 2 pi r again, r is 3, and then h. They want us to give exact answers. So this is 2 pi, 3 squared is 9, and then 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So you can just leave the pi alone. This is just 30 pi. Okay, so you can really just leave this pi alone. We are going to leave those pi alone. And that's how you find exact answers. So 2 times 9 is 18. We have 18 pi plus 30 pi. You have already done chapter 5. You have already done the algebra chapter. If you haven't done it yet, you need to go tell your teacher, tell the teacher assistant that you want to finish chapter 5 first. Because chapter 3 requires a lot of algebra work. Okay, so you already know that 18x plus 30x equals to 48x. So there's no difference here. 18 pi plus 30 pi is just 48 pi. And that's the answer, 48 pi centimeter square. They also want the answer in 2 decimal places. So now we can just type this into the calculator. Okay, I'll show you how you can type this into the calculator. It's just 48 pi. So 48. The pi button is right here. This is also the calculator that I want you to get for math 8, 9, and 10. So you will go shift and then press that to get to the pi button. So that's 48 pi, and then you can press this S to D button to change into decimals. So your answer is 150.80 if you round it to 2 decimal places. So 150.80, and this is in centimeter squared. Okay, so that's question 1. 1a, and then question B. Same idea, surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. We were told that radius is 7, height is 5. So I would just plot those numbers in. The radius is 7. Radius is 7 again, and the height is 5. So we get 2 pi times 7 squared is 49. And then I can do 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 7 is 70. When you're timesing, the order does not really matter. 2 times 49 is 98. And 98 plus 70 is 168 centimeters square. Once again, I can type this into the calculator and change into decimals. And we get 527.79 centimeter square. C. Same idea, surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh for a cylinder. This time we were told that the diameter is 5.2. If the diameter is 5.2, then the radius must be 5.2 divided by 2, because the diameter is just 2 times the radius. So we should get 2.6 for the radius. And the height is 4.7. The surface area is 2 pi r, r is 2.6, plus 2 pi r again, 2.6 times the height, which is 4.7. I would definitely use the calculator, so 2.6 square. I would type in 2.6 square and then times 2. Change into decimals, I get 13.52 pi. Again, I just leave the pi alone. So meaning you just ignore the pi and then just put the pi here when you're done multiplying the numbers. The next one is 2 times 2.6 times 4.7. And I get 24.44 pi. Now we add it up, 13.52 plus 24.44. I get 37.96 pi. This is in centimeter square. I forgot the decimal answers. So I still need to times that by pi and then change into decimals. I get 119.25 centimeter square. D. Surface area equals to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. So we were told that the diameter is 4.5, which means radius is 4.5 divided by 2. We should get 2.25. And the height is 1 1/3. So this is 2 pi 2.25 squared plus 2 pi 2.25 times h. H is 1/3. If I change that into improper fashion, it would just be 4/3. So 2 times 2.25 squared on the calculator gives me 10.125 pi plus, and then 2 times 2.25 times 4/3 is 6. So we get 16.125 pi centimeter square, or 16.125 times pi, and then change that to decimals. I should get 50.66 centimeter square. And that's it for question 1. I'll see you in question 2.